I've been making pies here. We started about 20 years ago, which seems like a really long time ago. We started making them in the tent across the street from where this farm stand is in the early 90s when we had just a walk-in cooler and a tent outside. And then when we built our farm stand in 1995, we started doing a little bit more and a little bit more. In the morning when I make pies, I come in, I get all my fresh ingredients. They were prepped the day before. So we do, this time of year, plums, nectarines, peaches, strawberries, all fresh. And then I bring all the ingredients out. We make the crumb topping and the pie dough in big batches, which is like your Cuisinart would be at home, but it's a big machine that we use. So we make a lot of that at one time. And then we press all the pie shells. So those are all set to go. On a typical Saturday, I'll make close to 100 pies or so, depending on what time of year it is, more so in the summertime. And then I just start making the different kinds. So July, we go heavier with blueberries, and because they're in season, July and August. Jumbleberry, which is one of my favorites. It's blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Nectarine blueberry is another one, nectarine raspberry. So we use all these nice fresh fruits that we get in the farm stand in the pies all summer long. The pies, I think, they're one of our signature items here because it's one of the first things that we started making at the farm stand. I think they're really special because they're so seasonal, and you know that it's summer when you have jumbleberry, you know that it's fall when you get fresh apples. So, and a lot of people have certain kinds that they celebrate a birthday with, or Father's Day, or different occasions. But they're really just, we've been making them fresh from scratch since the beginning. We haven't changed anything, and I think our customers really appreciate that. I really enjoy making the pies. I've been making them this many years, and I actually still really like to make them. Just like anything, the longer you do something, you get a feel for it, and when it's properly baked, and it's just nice to see the colors that come out in the different fruits, and see people happy when they pick one up and celebrate something. I enjoy eating them too.